Hi guys, it's Macca and Chloe here, and we are currently in the beautiful town of Tetbury, exploring the South Cotswolds over the next few days.
Yeah, we've never been to this part of the Cotswolds, and we've got some really cool activities planned. Plus, I think if you're looking for a summer getaway this year, this is going to give you a lot of inspiration.
And with views like this, I mean, you know it's going to be good. We've just checked into this amazing luxury glamping teepee at Wild Carrot, which is just outside of Tetbury. And if you think it's pretty stunning inside, wait until you see this.
We've got our own hot tub out here, looks really cool, can't wait to use that later. We've also got a fire pit, we've got a cool little kitchen over there, and waking up to this view, I think that is going to be really special here. Relaxing in the hot tub with that view, I mean, what more could you want?
We're staying in for dinner tonight, so one of the things that the guys at Wild Carrot can organise is a premium barbecue box from the guys at Calcott just down the road. So we've got some delicious sirloin steak here, we've got some prawns, we've got some corn on the cob, a few other bits on the side as well. So this is all set to be an incredible meal, and why go out when you can have this instead?
Dinner time. Tastes even better when you cook it yourself, right? Can't wait to try these prawns. Good marinade, yum. That is amazing.
A couple of activities they offer at Wild Carrot is cycling and also one wheel lessons. So currently with Connor at the moment, who is showing me the ropes. Got my one wheel and just zooming around, and this is such a great way of seeing the Cotswolds.
Arrived at Loghouse Holidays. This place is absolutely spectacular. There are loads of these cabins around the water here, and it's a lovely relaxing place to come. You can hire some kayaks or some paddle boards, just zoom around on the water and enjoy a bit of peace and quiet. This is so beautiful!
This is awesome! Now this is so much more than just a walk through the woods. We're at the Cotswolds Sculpture Park, which is this amazing outside exhibition with all these sculptures popping up through the woods and the trees. Now one of the best things about this place is the sculptures are always for sale, which means they're constantly changing. So every time you come here, it's gonna look different. We have come for dinner at the Close Hotel, which is one of the best restaurants here in Tetbury. Now, as you can see, this building is absolutely stunning, and the inside is just as beautiful too. We've got time for one last stop before we head back to London, so we'll come down to these very opulent gardens at Misselden, which date all the way back to the 17th century.
Yeah, they are really spectacular, and it's a great way to round off what has been an awesome little adventure in the south of the Cotswolds, which might be our new favourite area of the Cotswolds.
Yeah, we've really loved it here, and hopefully we've shown you what you can get up to whilst you're here.